Hey guys, this is just a follow up to the last video I made where I showed if you've got a screw that's no longer really biting in plastic, something you can do. I always just use a bit of solder braid or copper wire maybe. I'll link the video, you can have a look at it if you want. And someone commented, fair enough, that what if that gets inside. Now in my experience it doesn't, because it sits in the screw post, but maybe it does and they were worried about it maybe shorting. So something else you can try, this is just a tiny little zip tie. Same thing, you now have a nice solid, and just trim off your excess and then you're good to go. So if you were worried about something conductive getting inside, there's an alternative.